Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Decortalk. Decortalk's ideas are also trending and backwards landscaping ideas. Backwards landscaping ideas are more trendiest videos. You're looking very modern, simplistic, classic designs. You will be amazing, you will be perfectly and stunning videos. Always be most demanding videos, hope so I really share with you. In more demanding designs and 40 plus videos are marvelous, so elegant videos, so beautiful, just looking at fantastic videos. Are also full greenery and different amazing different slides of videos. You will more beautiful things, more attractive and decent designs. Are you liking these beautiful things in a beautiful ideas? Hope so I really share with you. You're looking very attractive in a decent and good looking videos and most demanding videos of landscaping ideas and different greenery are different types of flowering and decorations of backwards. You looking very beautiful, charming, very attractive and decent ideas, decent videos we have to share with you. Everyone more likes to you and more attractive ideas, more beautiful things are these most attractive videos are most backwards moderns and more different types of videos. You looking very beautiful and charming, so I really share with you and different amazing ideas, different types of videos. Hope so I really share you and different amazing different beautiful and charming designs in different types of videos. Are you like these beautiful things in these charming looks? I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. Always be sharing most demanding videos, most attractive designs and different types of videos. You're looking very beautiful and charming designs and different amazing landscaping are also trendiest videos in a trendiest design and most demanding videos. I am waiting for these beautiful things and different amazing videos. Hope so I really share with newest videos in a newest designs. So take care, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.